If your Instagram Reels aren't working as you expect, we have a solution. Our proven strategies will transform your content. Let's make your Reels work for you.
2 hours of work, 200 views, then it stops.
You change audio, change hashtags, try boosting, same ceiling. It's not enough to tweak, you need to boost. But the ceiling, it's the same. The retention graph shows exactly when they leave. It pinpoints the moment customers drop off. This helps you refine your strategy and prevent churn. It's essential for growth. The exact second your reel broke. Editing problem or script problem? In the description, I've included a link to a video where I explain the solution to this problem in detail.